Good evening. It's July 8th, 2025, about 5:15. I thought I'd come over here because they're about done with the demolition. Look at that foundation. That old building. These are some big bricks, aren't they? If I get up here on this church hanging show you. Let me walk back down. There she is. I seen guys yesterday, I think it was, they were up there actually pulling bricks down by hand on this building over here. Stage door graphics. I don't know what they're gonna do with that. Now that side of the building over there looks pretty nasty. But I'm really amazed at the foundation. Look at that. Boy, I want to walk in there. Will I get in trouble if I walk in there? It says sidewalk's closed. Didn't say alley was closed, did it? But I do. I want to walk down. I just want to see those big bricks a little bit closer. Really interesting. I can't see the screen. That good. I get a real close up of the graffiti. That's all she wrote. Alright, I'm gonna get home. Yeah, there's people on that side too. Alright. It's getting warm again. It's not as hot as it has been though. But, have a great evening. Truth, peace, freedom, and love to all.